You already know sleep deprivation makes you tired. But did you know that after just 5 nights of sleeping under 6 hours, your brain begins physically shrinking? Or that the cognitive damage accumulates silently, like rust on steel, and by the time you feel it, the structural damage is already done? We live in a culture that glorified the grind, that celebrated the 4-hour night as a badge of honor. Hustle culture handed you a lie wrapped in productivity. Today, we are going inside the skull. We are going to walk through the exact 10 things that happen to your brain when you consistently sleep less than 6 hours every night. Number 10. Your brain starts eating itself. This is not a metaphor. When you chronically undersleep, your brain's microglial cells go into overdrive. They begin destroying healthy synapses. They start consuming the architecture of your own mind. This is the same process linked to Alzheimer's disease. The same mechanism. The same destruction. Number 9. Your emotional fuse becomes a hair trigger. Have you ever snapped at someone and immediately thought, "Why did I do that?" The amygdala is your brain's threat detector. Sleep deprivation severs the connection between it and the prefrontal cortex, your rational brain. UC Berkeley found that sleep-deprived subjects showed a 60% increase in amygdala reactivity. The brake line was cut. The threat detector ran wild. Number 8. Your memory is being deleted in real time. While you sleep, your brain transfers information from short-term to long-term memory. When you cut sleep short, you interrupt this transfer. Think of it like pulling out a USB drive before the file finishes copying. The data corrupts. The file is lost. Harvard Medical School confirmed sleep-deprived subjects performed 40% worse on memory tasks. Not 10%, not 20%, 40%. Number 7. Your brain's waste system shuts down. Your brain has its own sewage system called the glymphatic system. When you sleep under 6 hours, this flush is incomplete. Toxic proteins accumulate. They build plaques. They choke synaptic connections. Number 6. Your decision-making collapses. It does not just make you slower. It makes you confidently wrong. University of Pennsylvania revealed sleep-restricted individuals performed as poorly as those awake for 24 hours straight, but they did not know it. Number 5. Your brain ages faster. Consistently sleeping under 6 hours causes accelerated cortical thinning, literal physical shrinkage of the brain. Nature Aging study tracked 600 adults across decades. Every night of undersleep is a withdrawal from an account that does not refund. Number 4. Your brain becomes addicted to stress. Sleep deprivation spikes cortisol, which physically damages the hippocampus and makes sleep harder to achieve. Number 3. Your focus becomes physically impossible. The prefrontal cortex goes offline. Blood flow drops. Neurons fire slower. Caffeine masks the sensation of tiredness. It does not restore the neurological function that sleep deprivation destroys. You feel awake. Your prefrontal cortex is still offline. Number 2. Your brain loses the ability to feel pleasure. Chronic sleep deprivation depletes dopamine receptors in the brain's reward centers. Food becomes less satisfying. Achievements feel hollow. Relationships feel flat. You are not depressed because your life is bad. You may simply be running a depleted brain. Number 1. Your brain loses the ability to heal. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is repair. Without sufficient sleep, the damage carries forward into tomorrow, then compounds with tomorrow's damage. And the day after that, the sleep reset protocol. Factor 1. Darkness. Kill all screens 60 minutes before bed. Your melatonin production is destroyed by blue light. Factor 2. Temperature. Set your room between 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold room. Deep sleep. Factor 3. Consistency. Wake at the same time every day. Every irregular morning is jet lag you inflict on yourself. Factor 4. The 90-minute rule. Sleep in multiples. 6 hours, 7.5 hours, 9 hours. Waking mid-cycle destroys you. The brain you have at 60 is being built right now by the choices you make tonight. If you are going to commit to the sleep reset protocol, comment, "I am resetting" below. Stay sharp. Stay rested.